We guys, ake sikhulume ngomzima bokufuna umsebenzi. Akube kunzima guys ukufuna umsebenzi. Kunzima in a way yokuthi ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokubuya kwe-applications yokubuya kwelontozana kwe-feedback kuthiwa now ntontoni siyibonile i-application yakho for now angeke sikwazi sikuthathe nani sicela ukuthi uphinde uku-aplaye nani yonke loo nto. Bebafethu mina ngizozibulala yabona nto umsebenzi hayi ngizoyibulala shem because bese kunzima. I don't wanna lie, kunzima. Ubusathe uyazama kuhlangani, ubusathe uyazama kuhlangani guys. Iminyaka iyahamba, siyakhula sibadala, asinalutho soba yini kahle yonke into inzima, yonke into iyabiza. We can't afford even ourselves right now. Yabo, so it is totally difficult. I don't wanna lie to you guys. It's not something that you can say like ngathini ungaduduza umuntu uthi no kuzodlula this and that. There is something mhlambe zikhona ezinye izinto esingaduduzana ngazo uthi no kuzodlula this and that, but le hayidluli. And it's totally difficult because isikhathi siyahamba, asihleli, siyakhula, sibadala. Like what about ama goals wethu? What about ama goals? What about ama dream? Like what's about ama goals wethu? I'm right. What about my goals with? So guys, right now I'm sick and I'm tired of just looking for the job, of applying. It's been time applying, and right now I'm like, what is wrong with me? And you like as if like Connie's in wrong as in Zakalele, no matter you are doing something bad, this and that. Can't you know? Imsebenza yikho and ingekho guys kusathwana ba yo. I don't know, like I'm from Kulma guys. If there is someone owaziyo lo noma mhlambe oyimanager zobuka ividiyo noma abe oyini kusami owazi ukuthi ngangithatha ngibhayi ngicela guys ngibhayi emsebenzini. I really need umsebenzi. Ngisethekwini ngokuhlala ngiyawudinga umsebenzi. Noma ngabe umsebenzi ukucleana noma ngabe umsebenzi angisakhethe lutho noma ngabe imuphi umsebenzi as long noma ngabe kuthiwa ngizohola 2000 rand. It's okay. It's okay. It's like yabo ukuhlala endlini guys is one of the thing ekwenza igcine sekwenza wenza izinto kade ungayiplananga, wenza izinto of which is not like worth it, you know. Igcine sekwenza izinto of which is not worth it, and then izinto egcina sezikufaka kuyinkinga, this and that. Igcine sekufesana nezinye zezinto. So like I don't want to stay at home. I don't want to stay at home. I want to wake up each and every like morning, this and that. I want to do something. I want to do something, guys. If there is any opportunity, any toda you have any because mina on my like I'm tired and I don't see doing this thing again because like lethelana stress, lethelana inkinga, like uyaqaba ubesa nongabusazi noma usenza ubesa nongabusazi noma usaphila noma usaphila noma sekwenza like right now I don't understand. Like I don't know whether I'm doing things right or whether I'm doing things wrong. Like it's just a lot. It's just a lot. And now I'm going to lose myself and I'm going to lose my mind. That's all I can say for now. Guys, if there is anything, if you are a manager or if you are a supervisor or whatsoever, please make plan, guys. Please make plan. If you are looking at this video, guys, I'm looking for a job. If any of the job, like I'm tired to stay at home, it's not worth this. Like I'm tired. Like I'm tired. Yeah, guys, listen. Let's not talk about like going to university, this and that. I have a lot of not just a lot of certificates. I'm still like completing my degree in financial accounting, but I'm like, guys, it's not worth it. I do have some certificates. I'm studying at UNISA. I do have a accounting science certificate, and I'm like, it's not worth it. Like I feel like even getting with my degree, I feel like okay, you are continuing with your degree, you are completing your degree, but at the end of the day, uzothatha umsebenzi ngathi ungekho wama general worker like wamatric, like kuthiwa kudinga kumatric apply awuthathwa, apply kuma retailer ntontoni awuthathwa. Guys, kanti kumele size senze njani, sichazeleni mhlambe kunendlela oyenza ngayo okuthi mhlambe nami yasho ngenze ngayo ngisebenzele. Guys, akeni sichazele. I'm tired right now. I'm tired. Like, man, I'm tired. And you will be like, uzobona abantu akade bakho. Yabo guys, enye izinto, I'm stressed. Hey. Guys, which earth are we in? Are we still breathing? Are we still like I guys, no. I feel like there is no more like living, there is no more like what can I say, there is no more like I don't think usisaphila per se, like and abantu abasebenza ngokwazi abantu bakudala boma abafunda ngabo ba 2020, not 2020 by the way, abafunda ngama-90s abaqedanga nje thina ushemba ingcosana abathola umsebenzi yazi kunzima, ngiyadabukisa shem. So hlala nje nama-degrees, sihlale namalontuza nama-certificates ethu, sihlale nje nakho konke, it's okay. I think yabona leyo ukuthi na is better guys, asimseni kuyikhohlisa, is not better like kunikezana stress more, unikezana nje stress more ukuthi uzothi is better kunokuthi uhlale ekhaya, kunokuthi uhlale nje ungabi ne-certificate. Yes, usuna certificate degree and then kwenzakalani guys, is totally difficult and it's hard. Hayi bo ngeke.